大家好，又见面了哟。In our daily life, we always make something we like, something we dislike. So, how to express our attitudes in Mandarin? Today, let's learn some basic sentences and a phrase to show our attitudes in Mandarin. Let's see them. Several words need to remember first. They show the positive attitudes in Chinese. Number 1, I means love something. For example, 我爱这本书。我爱这本书 means I love this book. Number 2, 喜欢means like. 其实在中文里面呢，爱的程度要比喜欢大一些。For example, 我喜欢看电影。我喜欢跑步。Number 3, 想 means want. Attention here. There are some differences between 想 and 想要. To some extent, 想 is just a thing in your mind, just a plan. But 想要 means want to get. The purpose and the actions are stronger. So that's the difference between 想 and 想要. So these words like I, 喜欢, 想, showing positive attitude. They have a common grammar structure. It's subject and I or 喜欢 or 想 and noun or verb phrase. For example, 我爱这本书。我爱看书。我喜欢这本书。我喜欢读书。我想跑步。Something like this. So, if we know the sentence structures, we just need to know more new words and then add them into the sentence. So, we have some words to show positive attitudes. Certainly have some words to show negative attitude. That's the negative sentences. Let's see them. Today in our video, we just talk about 2 Chinese characters. Number 1 is 不. 不 means no or refuse. The basic structure is 不 and verb. Like 不爱不想不喜欢 something like this. For example, 我不喜欢这个故事。我不喜欢这个故事 means I don't like this story. 我不想吃苹果 means I don't want to eat apples. So the sentence structure is the same as the positive words we have learned today. Just an extra 不 in these sentences. Number 2 is 没. The basic structure is 没 and the verb. 没有没做没看 For example, 我没看过这个电影。我没看过这本书 Something like this. So, how about the difference between 不 and 没? First, 不 is more subjective. It means you're negative towards the thing. The thing happens in the past, at present, or in the future. 也就是不这个词在对于某件事上面所呈现出的消极态度是更为主观性的，而这件事情呢，可以发生在过去、现在或者是将来都可以，有一种主观意愿的这种色彩体现在里边。没 is more objective, and the thing that you show negative attitudes can just happen in the past or at present, not in the future. That's the difference. 也就是没更为客观一些，而且你对这件事情所呈现出的消极态度呢的这件事情是发生在过去或者是现在，而不能是在将来。And second difference is there is no limit for 不 that have some auxiliary verbs followed, but may can only have Some words like 能够、要、肯、敢 followed. Okay, now have you learned some basic expressions of showing your attitude? In the future, we will learn more deep expressions together. Today's video is coming to an end. See you next time. Bye bye.